Everything you know about time is wrong. Time doesn't move forward. It folds onto itself. And what you do right now can change what already happened. Your past isn't fixed until you look at it. This is quantum retrocausality, and it just got proven in the lab. Okay, so here's what happened. Physicists fire a photon, a particle of light, at a beam splitter. This is a half-silvered mirror. Light has a 50-50 chance of going through or bouncing off. But in quantum mechanics, before you measure it, the photon takes both paths. It exists in superposition, as a wave, taking every possible route. But here's where it gets weird. After the photon passes the beam splitter, after it's already chosen its path, the scientist decides whether to measure it as a particle or a wave. This is called a delayed choice experiment. And here's the result. The photon's behavior changes based on what measurement you choose, even though that choice happened after the photon already traveled. Your future decision changed what the photon did in the past. Physicist John Wheeler designed this, and when they ran it, it worked. The future affected the past. So how does this not break everything? We think of time like this. Past happened. Present is happening. Future will happen. But quantum mechanics says that's not how it works. Instead, all moments exist at the same time. This is called the block universe. Your past isn't behind you. Your future isn't ahead. They're all right here. Just in different dimensions of space-time and in quantum mechanics. Before you observe something, it exists in superposition. That means your past exists in multiple states until you observe it. When you make a measurement, you collapse the probability wave, and that collapse happens backwards through time, selecting which past actually happened. Before you looked, multiple pasts existed. After you look, only one past exists, and you just chose which one. Think about what this means. Every choice you make, every observation, isn't just creating your future, it's reshaping what led you here. Your past isn't fixed. It's probabilistic, until you collapse it by living your present. This is because of quantum entanglement. Events can be entangled, not just across space, but across time. What you do now is entangled with what happened then. So here's the question. Do you have free will? If your future actions change your past, then which came first? Did your past cause your present? Or did your present create your past? The answer might be both, and neither. Let me show you the actual experiment. Scientists create two entangled photons. Quantum twins. Signal photon goes one way. Idler photon goes another. Signal photon hits the detector and creates a pattern. If you see an interference pattern, the photon behaved like a wave. If you see individual spots, it behaved like a particle. But here's the thing. The signal photon already hit the detector, already created its pattern before anyone measured the idler photon. So the signal photon's behavior is already decided. Right? Wrong. When you choose how to measure the idler photon, even though it happens later, the signal photon's pattern changes. If you measure the idler in a way that reveals path information, the signal photon, which hit the detector 10 nanoseconds ago, acts like it was a particle. If you measure the idler in a way that erases path information, the signal photon acts like it was a wave. Your future choice determined the past. This has been done thousands of times. The data is clear. So what does this mean for reality? Some physicists say, time doesn't flow. All moments exist simultaneously, and consciousness just moves through them. But quantum mechanics adds something. Those moments are in superposition. Multiple versions exist until you observe. You're not just moving through time, you're collapsing it into existence. Your past becomes real when you create it in your present, which means every choice you make right now isn't just building tomorrow, it's solidifying the yesterday that led you here. You're not trapped by your past, you're creating it right now, because in quantum mechanics, nothing is real until you look.